Good morning, guys. I'm live here at Darnell Sykes and Frederick CPAs in Lafayette, where I got all of our questions answered after I took to Facebook Live and asked everyone at home what you want to know ahead of filing your taxes after 2020. So all of the answers throughout the morning are going to be related to sort of 2020 specific questions, and one of them that we got was about 1099 forms. Now, those are the forms that you file when you do contract work, which many people did find themselves doing after losing a traditional job last year. Cheryl Stelly wants some advice for her first time filling out a 1099 form.
Few deductions that are out there for a 1099 employee is the business use of home deduction. A lot of people were working from home. If you're a 1099 contract labor, then you can take that deduction. You can also deduct things like your cell phone. You can deduct any travel that you might have had because the IRS allows an auto allowance per mile. You can also deduct your computer that was used for business. That's a cost that you had to take on to do your business, whatever you were doing. And generally, I would think of any cost that you incurred that you had to use for that business that you would not ordinarily use for your typical day-to-day life. So if it's any office supplies, pens, paper, any expenses that are out there that you had to take on because of your job, those are deductible.
Every half hour this morning, I'm going to be getting answers to a different question pertaining to some 2020 tax issues. So you're going to want to stay with us throughout the morning. But if you miss any of them, I have an extended Q&A over on our website, KATC.com. And coming up in our next half hour, I'm talking about one of your biggest concerns, or at least one of those people on Facebook's biggest concerns, and that is stimulus payments. So stick around for that. Dave, back to you in the studio.